Welcome to Japan, a nation of contrasts. Japan boasts a population of over 125 million people and a history stretching back millennia. From ancient samurai traditions to modern technological innovations, Japan seamlessly blends the old with the new. Over the past decades, Japan has experienced significant urbanization, with bustling cities becoming cultural and economic hubs. To fully appreciate Japan, mastering the language is key. Japanese is unique with its three writing systems: kanji, hiragana, and katakana. Kanji are complex characters borrowed from Chinese, while hiragana and katakana are simpler phonetic scripts. Mastering these is no small feat, but I'm determined to learn as much as I can this month to pass my Japanese challenge. This week, my primary goal is to improve my Japanese language skills. To achieve this, I'm focusing on three key strategies. First, I'm taking private online lessons with Onishi Sensei, who provide personalized guidance and feedback. Second, I'm using my familiarization technique, immersing myself in the language by labeling and describing everything around me. Finally, I practice my reading with my manga book, Jujutsu Kaisen. Day 1. Setting the foundation. First, I need to assess where I stand.
Alright guys, I'm going to first take a Japanese test. I just want to make sure I have the level I think I have, around B1, on the European framework. Alright guys, I'm quite excited. I got 85%, I can't believe it. They say my level is advanced, which is around C1, C2. I am absolutely not advanced, so that test was a bit flattering. I'd say I am more intermediate here, B1, B2, 60 to 79%, though I got 85. But that's the level I have and I'm going to try to improve it. So let's study. 食べた。今日私は食べたくないです。私は今日は寿司が。So I have a 3D system to study any language. It's called three-dimensional language learning. And one part of it is called familiarization of your environment. And this is your primary environment. Secondary environment is outside. Now, for primary environment, what you need to do is to write everything that you see around you. So let's say, for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to use this apartment to learn more Japanese vocabulary. So I wrote here, tsukue, which means table or desks, right? And every time I need to use this desk, I have to say tsukue, tsukue, tsukue. I cannot use this desk unless I say the name. If you forget, it's okay, you check it out. So let's turn out this apartment into a Christmas tree.
Working on your primary environment is a tedious process, no doubt, but it's really efficient when wanting results in a shorter time.
Now I want to read a book. Okay, let's say you want to read a book, you sit down, you cannot touch it until you know hon. Okay, hon desu. And then you can also add adjectives. Chisai hon, for example, small book, oki hon, big book, okay?
My goal this week is to be able to describe what I did in more detail and be able to read more Japanese in a faster way.
If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. It's important for you to have a study regimen, okay? So I have one right here. You see, it's just a normal, Excel spreadsheet. And I have from Monday to Sunday, I know exactly what I'm going to be doing and when I'm going to be studying. So you need one of those, okay? I'll share it with you.
Here you have it, guys, my study regimen to study Japanese. As you can see on the right side, I have different categories: review, working out, Japanese tools, self-study, sleep, etc. So it's important to have that plan so you don't get demotivated and you actually can fall back on whenever you don't know what to do next. So here, as you can see, I have a lot of chill time because you need to relax and rest, guys. It's important for your brain to disconnect. And I have a lot of, Japanese series. I love watching those, and also my old-timer book, Minna no Nihongo. Some people will say I'm old-fashioned, but I love this book. And obviously, I watch animes, I read mangas, and I also have classes with my Japanese teacher. All right, give it a try, guys. It's pretty fun to actually build this regimen, and it really motivates you. So it's your turn now.
In the section below, share with us how it went.
Day 2. Diving into intensive online lessons. Today's focus, advanced grammar and conversation skills.
すられますそうになって、気がつ
すられそうになってすられそうになった
すられそうにOK
すられそう
もう一回
So as you can see, Onishi Sensei already had all laid out for me, day 1 to day 4, with different verb forms, reading, and even a test at the end, just to check that I actually learned something.
すられなかった
すられなかったそうそう
すられなかった
Onishi Sensei's lessons are truly challenging, but I'm learning so much. 令和な言葉。誰もが知る流行語なき時代の信号を採掘し、世の中を知る。令和な言葉。This is way too hard. I'm trying to learn how to read better, in a more fluently manner. But Onishi Sensei gave me some homework that is way too hard. And I'm just struggling because I'm going with my phone, recording every word I don't know, and it's like every other word. And it's 4-page article, so I don't know. I'm probably going to ask her to change. Because I'm a bit, depressed right now.
Day 3. Expanding my vocabulary and putting it to the test. Alright, it's time to hit the streets and find my precious language niche. This is where the challenge truly begins. A language snitch is someone who can speak your language and is willing to speak with you to help you improve.
それは何ですか？とんかつ、ブダ、チキンじゃなくて。僕だから、ちょっと待って。何円かな510円と、それは3円かなそう。ちょうどいい。はい。ありがとうございます。おい、気をつけろ。気をつけて。暑いです。いいよ。はい、ありがとうございます。
Speaking with natives is the best way to solidify your new vocabulary and phrases.
これは私の YouTube チャンネルです。そう。ねえ、one more subscriber. 日本語で subscriber な。どうてるよの。登録。チャンネル登録。お願いします。ありがとう。
Day 4. Immersion Day. I'm surrounding myself with Japanese media to enhance my listening and reading skills.
一応にできた。でも、それを一度だって。ねねにしかできないって思ったことはない。失
次だ。
わかる。その人の作品見て感動しちゃって。わかる。私も監督の作品大好きなんだよね。監督？
So Linguapi is an amazing resource, guys. If you want to learn, proper Japanese language, then you should go onto that website and study dramas. They have short clips, short TV series for you to actually follow, and then you can add all the vocabulary you don't know into a vocabulary bank. Watching drama and reading manga is not only fun, but it's also incredibly beneficial for my language skills.
Day 5. Time to push my speaking and reading skills further.
娘が大きい声で泣いて私を困らせます。OK。でも、ちょっと待って。そのが、泣いて、なんで泣いて、
泣いてって、that's the reason ね。
泣いて私を困らせます。
Using deeper topics in Japanese is truly challenging, don't get me wrong, but it's really helping me, improve, lift up this level that I've been having for the longest time. So I keep doing it. I will try to break the plateau.
Reading in Japanese helps reinforce grammar and vocabulary.
Alright, I always try to describe what I see, guys. This is the best way to improve your vocabulary intake.
この写真はトーリーゲートが見えて、お支払いテンポル忘れちゃった。
Day 6. Your brain needs time to rest to create more learning pathways. I decided to have fun and go to Universal Studio. It's also what I call passive learning. I'll still be practicing with local staff as I go about my day.
Hey guys, so I am here in Universal Studio, ready to have fun, a well-deserved rest, and let's see what's up. Mario Kart 登ったことがありますか？
Okay.
あなた、登ったことがありますか？どうだ？
So difficult.
いや、日本語で。はいよ。
少し難しい。
なんで？Google ですね。そう。
でこうしながら。
でも楽しかった？
楽しかったです。
やってみようば。ありがとう。はい。Narushikata Mario Kart Koopa's challenge was dope. You have those Googles where you can see the whole race, all the competition, the rivals you have to hit with those turtles. It was just amazing, guys, and I'm having a great day.
Day 7. It's reflection and final assessment day.
私の村は上勝ほど木が多くない。
そうですか。
当たり前
あんた山じゃないんだじゃん。
でも見て。
まあ山深いよ。
その
山なんてそんなもんですよ。そう。 さあ、じゃあ、今回のレッスンどうもありがとうございました。
はい、ありがとうございまし
ありがとう
た。
ござい
小西
ました。
先
じゃあこれ
生。
からも楽しい旅を続けてください。
うん。
また日本語勉強したいなと思ったら、
そうね。
お願いします。
時間が短い、本当に。
今回短かったですけどね。
うん
でも、一生懸命頑張って、うまく伝えることができたと思います。
The test is over, and now I need to truly test my language skills in the real world. Let's do this.
It's been a long week, studying Japanese every day with Onishi sensei and on my own, meeting people along the way on the streets and elsewhere. I've been trying to put my Japanese to the test. It's been difficult, but I think I've done a good job. I think I'm ready to finally go to Kamikatsu. Let's do it.